Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on Virtualbox. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and search for Kali Linux. Click on download/get Kali from the official website. Now you have two options. You can either download installer image or virtual machine image. For this video I'm going to download the installer image and download the 64-bit installer of Kali Linux ISO. Now if you haven't already installed Virtualbox, you can open another tab and search for Virtualbox. Download the Virtualbox latest version from the official website and install it as a normal program. Now install Virtualbox, and after installing, open Virtualbox and click on new to create a new virtual machine, and after that give a virtual machine a name. I'm going to give it Kali Linux. After that, choose where you want to store your virtual machine files. I'm going to store it in my local DXD. You can choose the directory where you have lots of free space. After that, for the ISO image, choose the ISO image which we just downloaded. After that, click on next, and you need to choose RAM and CPU for your virtual machine. I recommend giving at least 2 GB of RAM and at least 2 cores of CPU for Kali Linux. Now for the disk space, you can give at least 16 GB of disk space for Kali Linux. Now click on finish, and after that click on your virtual machine and click on settings. Click on system option and go to the processor tab and make sure to check this option. After that, go to video tab and give the maximum available video memory for it. Now go to shared folders and choose a location where you want to share files and folders between your Kali Linux and your host machine. Now after that, you can start your virtual machine by pressing this icon. Now after starting the virtual machine, you need to choose the option which says graphical install. After that, choose your desired language and then your keyboard layout. Now enter your host name. I'm going to leave it as Kali, and for the domain name you can leave it blank. Now enter the required credentials for your username, full name and your user password. After that, choose your desired time zone. Now for the disk partition, you can choose the option which is guided use entire disk, because this is a virtual machine and it won't affect your host operating system. Now you will see the space which we allocated for the virtual machine. Choose that option, and after that click on finish partitioning and write changes to the disk. After that, it will start installing base Kali Linux system, and after the base Kali Linux system is complete, you will see the options to choose the desktop environment and utilities. So for this video I'm going to leave at the default options. Now it will take a while to install the utilities and desktop environment, and Now you will see the option to install grub bootloader, so choose the option yes and click on continue. So finally the installation is complete. Now click on continue and it will automatically reboot the virtual machine. And in Kali Linux, the Virtualbox guest edition tools are automatically installed, so you are already good to go. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.